Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix Shopify navigation tab not showing. Now before it was here, when you click on online store you will be able to see the navigation tab here, but now they changed it. It's still there, so don't worry, you can still click on navigation tab and then make changes if you want, but it's not here anymore. It's actually now if you click here in the, I'm going to check here. Yeah, you just need to click on content and then you want to click on menus. Now after you click on menus, this is your navigation tab, okay? Like main menu, home, catalog, contact page, footer menu. You will be able to see the search page, like your privacy choices. Now you can make changes. You can also create a new menu here. Now main menu, for example, you can click on it and then you can make changes. If you want to add, like if you want to delete, for example, contact page, you can just click on delete. You can also add the new like items, for example, tracking page. Okay, you want your customers to track their orders inside your own Shopify store. You just need to add now the link, the link of the website that's going to track the orders. Okay, or you can add, for example, about page, like about your Shopify. Then you can just search for the about page here. I'm going, for example, pages, and I'm going to link to the contact page, for example. Then click on save, and then that's exactly how you can do this. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comment. I try to reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.